What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have probably maybe one of the coolest products, especially when it comes to their vehicle or when it comes to their office space, when it comes to their personal space. We have here a little compact vacuum. This one is called RUBOT. Every time I pronounce it, I'm ready to say robot, but RUBOT. Right here it says lightweight, strong suction, long run time, and it says reusable filters. Let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. This thing is cordless, rechargeable. Don't know if I did mention that, but I think I should mention it again because it's cool. Alrighty, and we have instructions. Nice, you guys. It's just like prizes and prizes that keep coming. And they wrapped it up again. This is how you know it's good. When you have your product in a bag, another bag, a box, and then the main box, that is what you call 100% quality assurance. And here we go. Oh, I love the look of this. Look at this. This looks so cool. All right, it says remove me. All right, so please fully charge the unit before first use to achieve a better suction power. It has a suction power up to 8,000 PA. I don't even know what to compare that to. Look at this little filter, you guys. This is a little tiny filter. I don't think you could wash this, but we will double check that. If not, I will go on Amazon to buy more filters. Just when it gets dirty, you will want to use a filter. This is cool. Right here, you can have your little brush, and then you can press the little button down, and then you can have your little angle vacuum right there. That's pretty cool. All right, this is good for the cars. This is good for your keyboard, you guys. If you have a keyboard, sometimes you might get a little piece of food in the keyboard and you know how we do when we eat chips on the keyboard. I gotta keep it real with y'all. All right, then we have a brush. These are your attachments. This is it. 4 things, looking nice. Then you have power cord, USB Type-C. Gotta love USB Type-C. That's just the way the world is now. We are all good to go. Just in case you ask me, I don't think you can use this to vacuum up like water or anything. So don't try to vacuum up no water, you guys. All right, just keep it dry. I have sat down with this thing a couple of weeks. Well, not really me, my wife, but me and my wife, but she is the one who uses it the most. She kind of stole it. So anyways, happy Thanksgiving, everybody. So once again, it has been a couple of weeks since I bought this, almost a month now, and I want to say that my wife really loves this thing. She even took it to work. I sent her a link, and she sent the link to all of her co-workers that want it. So I think this will probably be one of the most popular items this season. Now, this is not no major vacuum, you guys. This is a simple, like, little office vacuum, a car vacuum. My wife keeps it in the car. She keeps it charged. So yeah, it actually has some dirt and stuff on the inside. I know y'all can't see it, but it has some dirt in there. So of course, like I showed y'all, just click the button, dump it out. You have another filter right here. All you got to do is just close it up. It closes right there. You have your little fins right here. You can vacuum your vent. If you have dust or whatever, you can rub it on there. And then you press the button here, bring it down, and go ahead and get what you need to vacuum. I'll turn it on again for y'all. So it's only one level of blow with this thing. At least I think it's only one level. When I first opened the product, I actually thought this would have been a sucker, which would have been awesome, but it blows. So what you do is you hook it up to the bottom. The bottom is where the exhaust is, basically is where the air blows out. So you can hook this up, and you know, between the seats where you got the old fries and receipts, you can go ahead and vacuum in between your seats or wherever you, well, not vacuum, blow. You could blow between your seats. Now it's not, I think it's charged. I'm not sure if this is fully charged, you guys. Like I said, I just grabbed it from my wife so I could go ahead and give this final review. I didn't put it on the charger before I did this, so don't get me out of context with this, all right? So what I'm gonna do is, I got a little piece of cardboard here. I'm gonna hit it, and it blows the cardboard, all right? Blows the cardboard. I have a plastic elephant right here. You gotta get real close, but it blows it. So I think that's pretty cool, especially if you need to get in between your keyboards. Like I said in the unboxing, you know, you eat the chips or you eat your little snacks around your keyboards and it gets all inside. You can go ahead, press the button and get all of that stuff out of your keyboard to save your computer. And then take this off when you're done with it. And put it in your glove compartment, put the filter in your glove compartment, and keep it moving, you guys. And that's about it. Not too much to this. Nice, easy. And yeah, that's about it. So I will try to feature this on some shorts so y'all can see me actually vacuuming. If y'all want to see somebody vacuum dirty stuff. But anyways, that will be all with this. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, please put it in the comment section. A link of this vacuum will be in the description, you guys. Very nice vacuum. It does the job that it needs to do, especially in the office or in your car. Yeah, so that will be it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next product review.